Hey y'all, welcome back to the family. This is Life of the Wave family, and I'm Nene, for those of you that don't know. First off, I want to say welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my old subscriber, and welcome to my channel for my new subscribers. Hit that post notification bell, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the post notification bell to all y'all. I know I'm all out of order, but y'all get the concept, don't you? Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So today's video will be about clean with me. I'm just gonna straighten up my front room, then we're gonna move to the kitchen, and that's gonna be it for the video. So y'all sit back, enjoy the video, and if you feel like you want to clean with me, go ahead and clean with me, honey. We're gonna do some cleaning. It ain't gonna be no deep cleaning. We just gonna clean up. And you know, cause honey, the kids, they just had a ball last night, and I didn't feel like cleaning up last night, so I got up today. I'm finna do it today, and while they still asleep. And yeah, that's about it. So that's what we is about to do. So let me just push y'all back to the back, and then we're gonna get the straightening up. So okay, so y'all see part of it? Okay. So this is what we finna do. We finna straighten up the front room, let y'all see how it look, and then we're gonna go on to the kitchen and do the kitchen, okay? Normally I like to clean with music, but I ain't gonna do it this time because I don't want to get copyrighted. But I may still throw some music in there. I don't know, but I don't know. I probably won't. But how have y'all been? I've been doing good. And today is Saturday. Happy Saturday for those of y'all that see this video. Happy Saturday, and I hope y'all have a good Saturday. May y'all be blessed and y'all enjoy yourself. Okay, y'all, so I'm coming back in the front room. I'm putting my pillows on my chairs. I'm straightening them up. Right there, I was just trying to fluff it out a little bit. Y'all, it done got so flat, but that's what I was doing, trying to fluff them up a little bit. But right there, I was telling y'all that I was hot, and me and heat don't get along, y'all. I was hot because I had the heat on in the house because it was cold outside. But other than that, that's what I was telling y'all, that I was hot. But just sit back and watch the rest of the video. Thank y'all. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm getting ready to shake the rug. Y'all, this rug right here holds so much dirt. As y'all can see, it holds so much dirt. No matter how much we try to vacuum and everything, that rug holds so much dirt. I do not like that rug. I am not getting no other rug like that again. That rug was given to me from my mom, so honey, you got to have a real big vacuum cleaner for that rug. Otherwise, you're going to be shaking every doggone day like a salt shaker if you got to have that rug. But that's what I was doing. Now I'm just sweeping up the floor, trying to get out the dirt from that was on that rug and stuff.
Hey y'all! Catching my wife cleaning up. I'm trying to figure out what's the purpose. As you know, there's always a purpose to something when you're doing something. Either you're cleaning up because you're expecting company, or you're cleaning up because you want to feel good, or you're cleaning up because you made a mess. Now I'm trying to figure out which one of these purposes it is. But it look like the purpose is because of YouTube. Now that's a new one. Now YouTube got you cleaning. Now there ain't nothing wrong with it. Now you doing a good job.
I told him that you know to be the one in here shaking out the road.
I do. It does. It do. But I just woke up. I was tired. But they gonna be nice and wash these dishes for her. She got some dishwater in here. So I'm gonna be nice and do that for her.
Yeah, he'll bake.
Now, like you done shook a lot of good foots out of this rug.
I told him that we need to get us another rug. We got to get us another rug because this rug hold a lot of dirt.
Yeah, we're gonna get us one, baby. You know.
I know.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm coming in with the Fabuloso and I'm finna get to mop the floor. I'm gonna use Fabuloso and bleach. Y'all see me come in with the bleach also, but I'm just telling y'all now what I was about to do, what I was gonna do with the Fabuloso and the bleach. I was just gonna pour it on the floor, and I got that from Walmart, but I was just gonna pour the bleach and Fabuloso on the floor and put some water, and I was just gonna mop it like that. It really didn't need mopping because it had already got mopped the day before yesterday, so I'm just really touching back over it. That's it. Okay, so right here I'm just mopping over the floor with that bleach, Fabuloso, and water that's on the floor. And y'all, I love the smell of Fabuloso and bleach. It smells so good, and that's what I was telling y'all right there. I love the smell of Fabuloso and bleach. It smells so good to me. It just had your house smelling so good. But yeah, that's all I was doing, y'all, just mopping over the floor.
I didn't want to step on this floor, y'all, but this the only way. This the only way I had to get y'all closer to me. So now what I'm about to do, wipe off the stand.
Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just dusting off my TV stand. That's it. And I just got newspaper, and I had waited with some water at first because I didn't have my Windex, but unfortunately they hadn't found it, so I later added the Windex to it, and I had went back over it. Okay, y'all. So I'm just laughing right here with Babe because he sent up him picking at me because I didn't find the Windex. I thought the Windex was in the truck, but unfortunately it was on top of the refrigerator the whole while. Where about it was, I don't even know because I didn't even look on top of the refrigerator for the Windex because the last place I thought it was in the truck.
Okay, y'all, so we finna go in the kitchen, okay? So we did the front room. Let me get over here and show y'all how it look. We did the front room. We straightened up the front room. Well, I did the front room. He ended up doing the kitchen, so we finna go to the kitchen. Okay, so this the kitchen. So he already know washing the dishes. So I'm gonna have to do the other stuff. But we're gonna do another video later while I declutter the stuff and everything and do a better organizer. They're gonna come at another time. So if you see something that's cluttered, just bear with us. It ain't gonna stay like that forever.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just trying to position the camera. Well, I'm trying to position my phone so I could record and get a better angle. So right here, Bay telling y'all that he was asking y'all, how do y'all lay y'all dish rag? Do y'all lay it like that on the sink, or do y'all just lay it on top of the counter, just sit it up there? He said he had a debate about it some years ago with someone that he got into an argument with. Well, it wasn't no like physical argument. It was just a debate about how they lay the rag, and they was telling him that they lay it across the faucet, and he was telling them that he lay his on the counter. And they was saying that you supposed to lay it across the faucet. So he was asking y'all, how do y'all lay y'all's and stuff. So that's what it was. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just spraying my countertops, spraying my tables there, and then I'm getting ready to spray my washer. And I'm using all-purpose disinfectant cleaner bleach, and I get that from Walmart, and I'm just spraying this out here to wipe off everything and stuff, because he had already did the stove, so that's why y'all didn't see me spray the stove. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just sweeping the floor and trying to make sure I got everything up off the floor, and next I'm finna get ready to mop it after that.
So this is, let me show the kitchen. Never mind this stuff. I just got to put that away, y'all. Never mind that. But I wiped off my stuff. Everything is dead. So my next video, well, no, this will be it for this video. So the only thing I got to do is just put up the stuff that y'all saw on the washer. And I'm gonna make a video of me decluttering the decluttering video, and that will come. I'll do my top of the refrigerator, and well, really it's just coupons are there and mail paper, and that's it. So it ain't really nothing to declutter, but I know I'm gonna have to get rid of, you know, them coupons and stuff. So that'll be it. But that'll be the end of this video, and I love y'all. Y'all have a good day. Happy Saturday, and I shall see y'all in the next video. Mwah.